In the world of filmmaking, few innovations spark as much excitement as new sensor technologies, especially when they promise major leaps in image quality, motion capture, and low-light performance. Lately, rumors have circulated about the upcoming Sony FX3 II, often referred to as the FX3 II, and whether it might feature a revolutionary SPAD sensor, short for single photon avalanche diode. SPAD sensors are capable of detecting individual photons, which gives them unmatched sensitivity and speed. They operate on principles similar to LiDAR, capturing light at the quantum level. Theoretically, this could enable full-frame global shutter functionality, a holy grail in the digital imaging world, as it would eliminate the dreaded rolling shutter distortion in fast-moving scenes. For filmmakers shooting action, drone footage, or sports, this would be a massive advantage. Naturally, the idea of a compact cinema camera like the FX3 II with a full-frame SPAD sensor and global shutter has created a lot of buzz. However, the reality is more complicated. Industry experts and insiders suggest that while the technology is real, it's not quite ready for a small, portable device like the FX3 II. The main issue: power consumption. SPAD sensors, especially at full frame and high resolution, demand far more power than traditional CMOS sensors, making them difficult to integrate into battery-powered mobile cinema cameras. Cost is another major barrier. A full-frame global shutter sensor could cost over $6,000 just for the sensor. That's well beyond the total price of the original FX3 body, which launched around $3,900. A SPAD-equipped FX3 II would likely double that price, moving it far outside the target market of solo creators and indie filmmakers. SPAD sensors also face technical challenges. They can't store as much light over time as traditional CMOS sensors. Instead, they require frequent resets, leading to gaps in data collection. This affects their ability to deliver consistent image quality in standard filmmaking scenarios, which demand dynamic range, color fidelity, and stable exposure. So, while SPAD sensors may be ideal for niche applications like scientific imaging or depth mapping, they aren't yet a practical fit for general-purpose cinema cameras. But that doesn't mean Sony isn't pushing forward. Rather than banking on SPAD tech for the FX3 II, it's much more likely they'll equip it with an upgraded version of their proven XMRS stacked CMOS sensor. This advanced sensor architecture, already seen in other Sony models, separates photodiodes and transistors into two layers. The result is faster readout speeds, better low-light performance, and significant reductions in rolling shutter artifacts. It's not a true global shutter, but it gets close enough to satisfy most filmmaking needs, offering the kind of improvements that matter in real-world production environments. Experts believe this refined XMRS approach is both more realistic and more valuable for the FX3 II's intended audience. You get meaningful upgrades, better dynamic range, improved color science, faster performance without ballooning power demands or price. SPAD technology may still have a future in Sony's high-end lines, like the Venice series, where cost and power aren't as restrictive. These flagship models, used in feature films and major productions, are better suited to handle the demands of SPAD sensors. For now, though, the FX3 II is expected to remain grounded in practical, professional-grade technology. It won't be a radical reinvention, but rather a thoughtful evolution of the FX3, refining what already works while staying true to its purpose as a compact, reliable tool for creators on the move. Ultimately, great filmmaking doesn't require futuristic gear. It demands reliable tools that perform well in any condition. And that's exactly what the FX3 II is shaping up to deliver.